Have you ever wondered how to create a 3D model for 3D printing with AI? This isn't just a question for the tech-savvy or the artistically inclined anymore. It's a question for all of us, as 3D printing takes the world by storm, transforming industries from healthcare to architecture, fashion to food. But what's truly revolutionary is the role of artificial intelligence in this process. AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It's like having a digital assistant that can help you design better, faster, and more efficiently. It can make the difference between a print that's just okay and one that's truly exceptional. And the best part? It's becoming more accessible every day. So whether you're a seasoned 3D printer or just starting out, using AI can elevate your 3D model creation to new heights. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of creating a 3D model for 3D printing with AI. But first, what exactly is AI and how does it fit into 3D modeling? To answer this, let's start by breaking down AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. So how does AI fit into 3D modeling? Well, it's like having a digital assistant that can learn from previous models, optimize designs, and automate repetitive tasks. With AI, the process of creating 3D models becomes less about manual labor and more about creative strategizing. Think of it this way. When you're sculpting a statue, you're the one chipping away at the stone, shaping it into the desired form. That's traditional 3D modeling. Now imagine if you had a tool that could learn from your past sculptures, understand your artistic style, and automate the chipping process. That's AI in 3D modeling. AI can take on tasks such as generating complex structures, optimizing the model for the printing process, and even predicting potential issues before they arise. In essence, AI can automate and enhance the process of 3D model creation. Imagine the potential, the time saved, and the precision achieved when AI becomes a part of the 3D modeling process. It's like having a personal assistant that never tires, never gets bored, and is constantly learning and improving. AI in 3D modeling is not about replacing the artist or the designer. It's about empowering them. It's about freeing up their time from the repetitive, mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on the creative, the innovative, the groundbreaking. In the field of 3D printing, AI is a game changer. It's the future, and it's here right now. If you're into 3D modeling, now is the time to embrace AI, to learn about it, to understand it, and to incorporate it into your process. Now that we've got a clear picture of AI's role, it's time to dive into the process. The first step in 3D printing with AI is conceptualization. It's the stage where we take our dream, our idea, and prepare to turn it into a tangible, three-dimensional object. Think about what you want to create. Is it a miniature model of a skyscraper, an intricate piece of jewelry, or perhaps a prototype for a revolutionary new product? Conceptualization is all about having a clear, detailed idea of what you want to create. It's like painting a picture in your mind. But don't worry if you're not an artist. That's where AI comes into play. With AI, you can visualize your concept, see it from different angles, and make adjustments before you even begin the design process. This not only saves time, but also resources, ensuring that your 3D printed object comes out just the way you envisioned it. With a clear idea in mind, we move on to the next step: designing. The second step is where AI really shines: designing. This is where we bring our concept to life, shaping it from an abstract idea into a tangible three-dimensional model. Designing with AI software is where the magic happens. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to simplify complex processes. It's like having a talented assistant who is always ready to help, understand your vision, and offer creative solutions. Imagine starting with a blank canvas. With traditional 3D modeling, you'd have to painstakingly draw and shape each detail. But with AI, we have the power to automate these processes. You can instruct the AI to create basic shapes, intricate patterns, or even entire structures, all with a few simple commands. The AI software interprets your instructions, draws upon its vast knowledge base, and starts building your design. It's as if you're communicating with a seasoned artist who intuitively understands your vision and has the skills to bring it to life. The AI software also allows for a level of precision and detail that would be challenging to achieve manually. It can create intricate designs with incredible accuracy, giving your 3D model a level of sophistication that truly stands out. The designing process is not only about creation, but also about refinement. The AI software provides real-time feedback, allowing you to tweak your design as it progresses. This interactive process ensures that your final design is not just a replica of your concept, but a refined embodiment of it. Designing with AI doesn't mean you're outsourcing your creativity. On the contrary, it's about augmenting your creative capabilities and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's about harnessing the power of AI to create designs that are more complex, detailed, and unique than ever before. With our design ready, we can now proceed to the final step: printing. The final step in creating a 3D model with AI is printing. Now, after all the conceptualization and designing, we've finally reached the printing stage. This is where we get to see our AI-generated model come to life. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, as it's also known, involves building up an object layer by layer. It's a process that's been around for more than 3 decades, but it's only recently that we've started to see the full potential of this technology when combined with the power of AI. Now let's talk about how AI fits into the 3D printing process. One of the main benefits of using AI in 3D printing is its ability to ensure precision and accuracy. AI algorithms can analyze the 3D model and make predictions about how the final print should look. This helps to eliminate errors and results in a print that's as close as possible to the original design. Furthermore, AI can also optimize the printing process. For instance, it can determine the most efficient path for the 3D printer's nozzle, saving time and resources. It can also monitor the printing process in real time, making adjustments as needed to ensure the best possible result. But let's not forget about one of the most exciting aspects of using AI in 3D printing: customization. With AI, you can easily customize your 3D models, creating unique designs that are tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're creating a one-of-a-kind piece of jewelry or a custom part for a machine, AI makes it possible to create exactly what you need. And there you have it, folks. After a few hours, or perhaps even less depending on the complexity of the model, the 3D printer hums to a stop. You reach in, and there it is. A tangible 3-dimensional object that was once just a digital concept in your computer. A 3D printed model created with the assistance of AI. And there you have it. A 3D printed model created with the assistance of AI. Creating a 3D model for 3D printing with AI is a fascinating process. It's like watching a sci-fi movie unfold right before your eyes, except it's real and within your grasp. So let's take a quick recap of the journey we embarked on today. We began by understanding the role of AI in 3D modeling. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we design and create, making the process faster, more efficient, and even more creative. It's not about replacing human creativity, but about augmenting it, giving us tools to visualize and materialize ideas in ways we never could before. Then, we dived into the first step of the process: conceptualization. This is where our creative juices start flowing. We brainstormed, sketched, and visualized our idea. AI helps us here by providing suggestions, refining our ideas, and even predicting potential design flaws. Next, we moved on to the designing phase. This is where the magic really happens. Our idea started to take a tangible form. AI made this step easier by automating some of the tedious tasks, allowing us to focus on the creative aspects of the design. Finally, we arrived at the printing stage. This is where our 3D model came to life. AI played a crucial role here as well, optimizing the printing process, ensuring the end result is as close to our design as possible. In conclusion, AI is not just a tool, but a partner in the 3D printing process. It provides us with opportunities to push the boundaries of what is possible and to create in ways we never thought we could. The benefits are immense and the potential is limitless. So let's continue to explore, experiment, and create. Let's push the boundaries of what's possible with AI and 3D printing. If you found this guide helpful, please like, follow, and share. Stay tuned for more exciting content on 3D printing and AI. Until then, happy printing!